My dishwasher broke about 6 months ago. And yeah, no doubt there was an adjustment period to me washing dishes. But now, I gotta be honest, it's kind of peaceful, you know? Just the sound of the water coming out of the faucet. And because I always wait until the dishes are stacked up in the sink, it takes me a solid 30 minutes. But it's a nice little meditative zone I get into. What I find to be strange is that I always leave 2 Tupperware containers full of soap and water in the sink because I feel like they need to continue to soak for another day or two. But I've been doing that for 6 months with these 2 containers. They just stay in the sink. Maybe that's where they're going to stay. Who's to say?